Growing a YouTube channel is not as hard as you think. It's a series of small steps that you could take every day in order to see YouTube growth in no time. And today I'm going to tell you how can you grow a YouTube channel in 2025 even before you reach 2026. Now, the first thing that people may think that you need to do in order to grow a YouTube channel in this year is start with gear. And this is the biggest problem that most small creators think, that they think that they need the best gear possible in order to create better content. But the biggest mistake that same creators do is that they think that having the best gear makes having the best quality. But creating quality YouTube video comes from being able to create shitty videos. You could never reach having quality videos without playing with quantity first and understanding how are you going to improve your weak spots and be consistent in your strong abilities. For example, most small creators don't have really any idea how to use their phone or how to edit an engaging video. So that's a weak spot for them. And they won't able to improve those small qualities or small skills that needed to be able to create quality video without playing with quantity first. And the more that you understand this problem that small creators have, the more you'll be able to overcome that quality requirement that the audience requires you to have. Because let's be honest, the more quality your video is, the more you'll be able to create more resonating and more watchable videos for your audience. So the first step of growing a YouTube channel is simply doing what is necessary in order to grow a YouTube channel, which is post more content, even if you think that they look like shit. For the same reason that I told you about, you won't able to reach quality without playing with quantity first. But that doesn't mean that you need to talk about anything, which is the second step that you need to take in order to grow a YouTube channel. Stick to a subject. Don't create random content and expect yourself to grow on YouTube. YouTube is a focused platform. Your ability to grow better on YouTube comes from having some kind of standard of the topics that you're talking about. And I made the same mistake when I started my first YouTube channel, and then I quickly realized that I needed to focus on one subject, on one simple niche for a simple audience. So knowing your niche and the content that you actually enjoy making will make it easier for you and for the algorithm to identify the audience that really wants to watch your videos. So with that, I need to give you a little tip in order to create better videos for your niche. Stick to the niche, not for the format. So many creators, when they stick to a niche, they stick to a single format of videos and they think that it's going to be the only format that you can grow in. But the problem with that thinking, they don't really explore the preferences of the same audience. Not all viewers who watch YouTube growth, for example, or filmmaking or even challenges enjoy the same content. They enjoy different formats. For example, if I want to create a video about how to gain more subscribers in 2025, I can make a talking head video and give you the tips on how to do it. But there's a second and a third or a fourth format for that exact topic. I posted content for 90 days and I was able to gain the first 1,000 subscribers. If you want to gain more subscribers, do this right now. There's so many ways in order to explore that same topic, and your ability to understand this and test different formats will increase your chances of growing this YouTube channel so much faster and so much harder. Then, after posting enough content and different formats for the same niche, you will be able to go into step 3, which is create a system of feedback. This is probably the best YouTube advice that I could give you, and this is the same advice that made growing my older YouTube channels so much easier. After posting so much content and testing with different formats, I was able to create some kind of a feedback loop and understanding what content works and what content doesn't. For example, if you made a video 3 months ago about how to create a cinematic video and you gained almost 10,000 views from that video, the best thing that you could do is try to repurpose that same video idea and topic in order to attract the same kind of viewers to a different video about the same topic. And this is where the greatest YouTubers know and focus. When they post so much content, they analyze the best hitters, they redo it again in order to gain more attraction because of that same viewer satisfaction from their old video. And this is something that could lead to a huge difference between you making videos that get stuck around 1,000 views and videos that get really 10,000, 100,000, or even millions of views. Now, the last thing that I need to tell you, and as a creator who done content for YouTube for almost 3 years without even thinking for a second about quitting or even stopping making content, you need to understand that YouTube is a numbers game. The more you post, the more you'll be able to grow so much faster. And it's not just a numbers game. YouTube isn't a tactical game. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort in order to grow a YouTube channel. So every video that you need to post needs to play a strategic role within your end game. Now, most creators think that they don't have a creative mind in them, but I can prove you wrong by watching this video and understand how boredom can make you a better content creator.